Before we start coding our HTML pages, we need some tools for doing coding. First, we need a web browser. If you are using Windows, then Internet Explorer will already install in your Windows because Internet Explorer is your default browser. But if you are using Mac, Safari already installed in your Mac because Safari is a default browser in Mac. But in this course, I recommended Google Chrome because Google Chrome is pretty much lightweight, fast and secure. But if you are familiar with Mozilla Firefox, you can download Mozilla Firefox as well. Firefox is also a damn good browser. To start downloading Google Chrome, go to www.google.com and in the search box type Google Chrome and click on the very first result. The web address is www.google.com/chrome. Now in the website, click on download. In download page, you see a download Chrome button. Click on that button. Click on accept and install. Google Chrome setup will downloading. And after it download complete, double click on it to install it. I'm skipping this step because I'm already installing Google Chrome and using it. But believe me, it is very simple process to install Google Chrome in your machine. Just double click on the setup file and follow the instruction. After downloading and install our browser, we also need a code editor to edit our code. Go to notepad-plus-plus.org or go to Google and type notepad++ and click on the first result on the search. In the Note+++ website, first let's check the Note++ features. Click on the features link over here. The very first feature is syntax highlighting, which is very important. Notepad++ also have features in user-defined syntax highlighting, GUI, auto completion, word completion, function completion and function parameters hints, multi-documents. You can view multiple documents in Note++ interface. Also there is option multi-view. You can view as much document as you can in Note++. Also you can zoom in and zoom out your code. Multiple language support. No matter what country, what religion you are, you can use Note++ in your language. Also you can record your macro and playback. And also Note++ is lightweight and of course is 100% free and open source. So now click on the download button over here. In the download page, click on the very first link, Note++ installer. It download the installer in your machine. I'm just cancel it because I'm already download and install Note++, so I'm just skipping this step. But when you download Note++ installer, just double click on it to open the installer and follow the instruction to install Note++ in your machine. The second code editor that I recommended is Sublime Text. Sublime Text is pretty much good code editor and support almost every type of programming language. But Sublime Text is not free. You can download Sublime Text trial version by click on this download for Windows button over here. It gives you free 30 days trial. You can try it, and if you think Sublime Code Editor is good for you, you can buy it as well. To buy Sublime Text, click on the buy link on the top. Sublime Text cost $70 per license. You can buy multiple license as well by click on this the license is for business button over here. Choose your quantity, how many license you want to buy. Here you can get a discount for a blank purchase. If you purchase 10 plus license, you can get $60 per license. You can buy 25 plus license, then you get $55 per license. And if you buy 50 plus license, then you can get $50 per license. After expire your trial period, you can buy this if you want. The next code editor that I recommended is Komodo Edit. Komodo Edit is also a free and open source code editor for web developer, which also support almost any type of programming language. You can click on this download button to download Komodo Edit. You can download Komodo Edit and use it for free because it is open source and 100% free. But Komodo Edit also have an upgraded version which called Komodo IDE. You can compare Komodo Edit and Komodo IDE features over here. As you can see, Komodo IDE offer more features than Komodo Edit. If you want to buy Komodo IDE, click on the buy and upgrade button over here. And in this page, you can see three type of license for Komodo IDE. First one is Komodo IDE Personal, which costs $99 per license. Then the second one is most popular and which called Komodo IDE, which cost $295 per license, which is pretty much costly. And third one is Komodo IDE for Team, which is $1,615 per 5 license, which is pretty much costly also. So if you want to buy Komodo IDE, just choose your license type and buy it. But I recommended go with the free one, which is Komodo Edit. Download it and use it. When you're comfortable with it, then upgrade to Komodo IDE version. The next code editor that I recommended is Bracket. Go to brackets.io. So let's talk about Bracket. Bracket is another open source text editor, and which I love in Bracket is it understands web design, as it say here. A modern open source text editor that understands web design. What does that mean? That means you can open a PSD file in Bracket directly, and Bracket will generate CSS code for every layer in that PSD file, which is pretty damn cool, and I love that feature. By downloading the Bracket, click on this big download Bracket button and download the Bracket in your computer. Bracket also support CSS preprocessor, Sass and Lace, which is a pretty damn cool features as well. Also it support live preview and inline editor, which is also a good features. So if you're comfortable with Bracket, you can download it and install it in your machine and use it.